Hey there, beautiful souls. Can you feel the magic in the air? I certainly can. Welcome back to our channel. I'm Sophia, and today we're diving into some fabulous New Year home decorating ideas for 2024. If you want to start the year with a fresh and stylish look for your home, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. There's no better way to kick off the new year than with some sparkle. Transform your living space into a shimmering wonderland with twinkling lights, elegant candles, and glittering decorations. Whether it's fairy lights draped around your fireplace or sequin throw pillows, adding a touch of sparkle instantly elevates the ambient. And there you have it, your guide to New Year home decorating ideas for 2024. I hope these ideas fill your home with joy, laughter, and endless positive vibes. If you loved these tips, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow home enthusiasts. And of course, hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on transforming your space with us. Here's to a year filled with love, laughter, and a home that truly reflects your spirit. Until next time, stay inspired and keep making your space uniquely yours. Happy decorating!